Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade hand sanitizer for disinfectant. So here are the ingredients. So all the ingredients we can find in our kitchen. So we need vinegar, baking soda, and clean water. And the tools we need to use are basin, measuring spoon, measuring cup, and a container for the hand sanitizer. And optional, just to neutralize the smell of the vinegar, we need the scented oil, or we can use the lime or lemon. And here are the procedures. First, we need to measure the water. We need 4 cups. So I'm using the measuring cup. This is total of 4 cups already. You can use also a glass of cup if you don't have this, okay? And then we need the baking soda. We need 2 tablespoons. One, 2. So before we mix the vinegar, make sure we mix the soda to dissolve it. Okay, now the baking soda is it's already dissolved in the water. Now it's ready to mix the vinegar. We need to mix 1 cup of vinegar. As you can see, before we mix the vinegar, let's focus the camera here so you can see the reaction from the baking soda. There's some bubbles coming out. And one more thing, there's a technique. You need to mix it in one direction only. After that, you will notice that there's still smell of the vinegar. So that's why we recommend to use the scented oil or lemon to neutralize the smell. Now we're going to mix the scented oil. In Philippines, you can use calamansi if you don't have lime or lemon, because calamansi is abundant in our country. So now, let's mix again because we put the scented oil. Then, this is ready now to use. We need to transfer the homemade hand sanitizer in our container. You can also use the spray if you want. Now after we mix it well, we need to transfer it to the container that we provide. You can use also funnel to transfer in our container. Guys, since it's done, now it's time to try our product. It doesn't smell the vinegar because we use the scented oil. It neutralizes the smell of the vinegar, and this product will not dry your skin. I hope you like my video, and please do subscribe and share to other people and help them to learn how to make the sanitizer. Keep safe and stay home, guys. Bye. Shoutout nga pala kay Jeremy Clemente and Michael Pascual. And happy birthday kay Ate Amy at sa mga kamag-anak, kaibigan at kabaryo sa San Vicente. Stay home po tayo and keep safe. Prevention is the best possible cure at the moment. And stay tuned to my next video regarding the disinfectant spray. Thank you, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.